Who would you rather debate on Bitcoin? Peter Schiff or Warren Buffett?
Probably Warren Buffett, because I think he's obviously a brilliant investor, probably far more brilliant than Peter Schiff. I don't know. It seems like Peter Schiff would have more ammunition. It could be misinformed ammunition. It would still be more difficult to debate Peter Schiff than Warren Buffett, I think.
Yeah, Peter Schiff has also got a lot of reps in. He's been in the ring many times and he's got his talking points down. I think that he knows the things against his argument too, but same type of thing, incentives. He's got such a huge incentive and probably an unlimited amount of cognitive dissonance at this point where he just cannot change his mind on this.